Hello everyone, and in this video we're going to be talking about how you can install bicycle rim tape. And this tape is the stuff that goes between the rim and the actual inner tube itself, and it makes sure that the inner tube, when you inflate it, doesn't puncture against any of the openings for the spokes. And so the first thing you do is remove the front wheel, and then you're going to be draining the pressure or relieving the pressure by pressing down on the valve. This is a press the valve. For Schrader, it's a similar process. You just press down on a little centerpiece, and then once you get all the pressure out of the wheel, you can then move forward with actually removing the tire. I use some tire irons to do this, and once you get the tire irons off and get the tire off of the wheel, you can then move forward to actually remove the inner tube. And once you get the inner tube out, you will install the new rim tape. And prior to installing the new rim tape, you have to remove the old one if it was there. And in my case, it was a pretty used and old piece of rubber that was almost about to fail, which is why I did this job. And so once you get off the old one, you can install the new one. The new one, you want to make sure that the opening for the actual press the valve is open or aligned with the actual opening on the rim itself. And then finally, once you get the new rim tape installed, you just essentially install a inner tube and tire back on in the same order that you remove them. Finally, after getting everything inflated, you will now install the wheel with the new rim tape back onto the fork, and that's about it. Thank you all for watching. Hope this video helps, and take care.